Alright, here's a quick tour. I have a RAM mount computer. I use it as my dinner table. I have two deep cell batteries here. Battery charger. Diesel heater. Power inverter. I'm wiring. Kind of a mess. I want to do it over. It's a work van. I did paneling and reflectex. 2 layers. Plasti dipped reflectex and paneling on the windows, back windows, and tinted just that window so I could still see out of. Put carpet, toolbox. Velcroed this shut because the drawers fly open and that keeps it shut. So I got that there. I built a little half wall there. Twin size bed, regular bed frame. And I just made my own shit. Storage all underneath the bed, bins and whatever I could find to fit under there. I have a little drawer back there with underwear and socks and shit, but I kept the shelving. I built that little shelf up there. Kept most of the steel shelving that was in here. Just pushed it back so I have enough room for my toilet. Put a curtain here, so slides, fishing poles. This is it. It's a work van. When I need tools, I get it from storage unit and use this area here to switch around. Right now I got fishing shit in here because I do a lot of fishing right now. And that's about it.